Section 9, the synovial joint has specialized parts, the meniscus, the bursa, the fat pad, etc. There are 6 types of synovial joints: hinge, pivot, plane, condylar, saddle, ball and socket. A hinge joint does flexion or extension, like the elbow and the knee. A pivot joint rotates on the axis, like the atlas to the axis. A plane joint slides side to side, like the carpals and tarpals. A condylar joint does flexion and extension and abduction and adduction. Example would be the knuckles. A saddle joint does what? Just remember, the only saddle joint in the body is the knuckle. It does flexion and extension and adduction and abduction. A ball and socket joint moves in all directions, like the shoulder or the hip. So the movements produced by synovial joints are flexion, extension, rotation, and sliding. Section 10, the 3 types of muscle tissue are smooth, skeletal, and cardiac. Smooth muscle is found in the hollow organs. The shape is like a green bean or fusiform. Skeletal muscle is the most abundant. It's voluntary. The location is bones and cell structure. It is actually, that just means location is bones. The cell structure is long, cylindrical, and multinucleated, and it is striated. Smooth is not striated. Cardiac muscle is the least common. It's only found in the heart. The cell structure is short branched cells connected by intercalated disc, and it is striated. The role of ACH in muscle contraction: ACH is released from the vesicles into the synaptic cleft. It crosses the cleft and opens chemically gated sodium channels, which creates a positive charge in the cell, thus creating an end plate potential. Cross-bridge cycling, this is what actually moves or contracts the muscle. Myosin and actin bond to form a cross bridge. Myosin pulls the thin filament toward the M line of the sarcomere. Myosin uses ATP energy to release and reset itself for the next cross-bridge cycle. Cross-bridge is the process that actually contracts a muscle.